Hello, I'm Edward Tarte. This is another in a series of solution videos for some of my math challenges. This particular video is for the challenge, The Right Time. And here's how I presented that challenge in the original video. In this challenge, we start with this time of day, exactly 7 o'clock. During the hour to follow, the 7 o'clock hour, there are two exact instants when the two hands will form an exact right angle. That is a 90-degree, a square corner angle. And the challenge is, what are those two exact times? Here's my solution. This represents the clock at the instant when, for the first time after 7 o'clock, the hands are at a right angle. I'm going to have M stand for the number of minute spaces that the minute hand traveled from 7 o'clock to this position, and H, the number of minute spaces that the hour hand traveled from 7 o'clock to this position. This represents M. This represents H. In any period of time, the minute hand of a clock moves 12 times as fast, 12 times as far as the hour hand. And so we have this equation, M equals 12H. The number of minute spaces all the way from the top at 12 to here is 35 plus H. How does that distance 35 plus H compare with M? Well, it is 15 minutes more than M. So 35 plus H minus 15 equals M. Simplifying that equation and substituting 12H in place of M gives us this equation, 20 plus H equals 12H. Subtracting H from both sides, we have 20 equals 11H. Dividing both sides by 11, we have H equals 20 elevenths. M equals 12H, so M equals 12 times 20 elevenths, which is 240 elevenths, which is 21 and 9 elevenths. Therefore, the first time after 7 o'clock when the hands are at right angles to each other is exactly 7:21 and 9 elevenths. Now for the second half of the solution, the exact time when, for the second time after 7 o'clock, the hands are at a right angle. This represents that. We have a longer H and a longer M. We still have the equation M equals 12H. Since that first time, the hands crossed over each other and then got to this position for the second right angle. As in our first part of the solution, again, from the top, 12, all the way around to here is 35 plus H. And again, the hands are at a right angle, and so how does 35 plus H compare with M? Well, in this case, M is 15 units longer than 35 plus H. So I write M minus 15 equals 35 plus H. I add 15 to both sides of that equation. I have M equals 50 plus H. I substitute 12H in place of M. I have 12H equals 50 plus H. I subtract H from both sides, giving me 11H equals 50. I divide both sides by 11, giving me H equals 50 elevenths. M is 12 times that, so M is 50 elevenths times 12, which is 600 elevenths, which equals 54 and 6 elevenths. And therefore, the second exact time after 7 o'clock when the hands are at a right angle is 7:54 and 6/11. So there you have my solution to the right time challenge. Thank you for watching this solution video.